Welcome sa zip9.com. This video, tutuloy natin yung ating series about exponential functions. No? And in this video ay tignan natin kung ano ba yung relationship ng graphs ng exponential functions whose base are reciprocal of each other. No? Konting review lang, yung reciprocal means their product is equal to 1. No? If two numbers are reciprocal of each other, then their product is equal to 1. So, makikita nyo sa inyong screen, meron tayong dalawang functions, y equals 2 raised to x, and the other function is y equals 1/2 raised to x. Yung b dito ay 2, ang b dito ay 1/2. So, they are reciprocal of each other because 2 times 1/2 is equal to 1. Tignan natin ano ba yung graph nila. I think kung napanood yung mga previous videos natin dito sa series, then I think you are familiar with graphs of these two functions. No? So let's have y equals 2 raised to x. And the other one is y equals 1/2 raised to x. Okay? Medyo malungkot yung kulay nito. Gawin natin ng konti yung kulay. Let's have green. And the other one is let's have red. Okay? Okay, so this is the graph of y equals 2 to the x, and this is the graph of y equals 1/2 to the x. Ano napapansin nyo? I think, of course, pansin nyo na sila ay they both pass through y equals 1. No? Yung ating intercept, y-intercept. Secondly, mukhang symmetric yung graph, na ibig sabihin parang reflection siya, no? Meron siyang parang ito yung line of reflection niya. Ibig sabihin, pag nireflect natin tong graph na to along this line, then ito yung magiging output niya, no? Or the reflected image. Now, paano natin malalaman? May mga tools, no? For example, dito sa of course, you can explore it yourself. Tignan nyo yung mag-read kayo ng points. But meron tayong high-tech na tayo eh. So maybe we can just use yung medyo high-tech nga na way. So suppose we put a point on the graph. So this is a point on the graph of 1/2 raised to x. Kung nireflect ko yan along this line, dapat nandito rin siya, no? Kung itong graph nga ay reflection nitong graph na to, dapat nandito siya, somewhere here. Pareho sila ng y value or the y coordinates. So I have to reflect this along the y-axis. So again, ayaw niya. Okay. One more. Ayun. Okay. So, na-reflect na siya, no? So, dapat pag minove ko tong point na to dito, dapat nag-move rin siya dito along this curve, no? Para kung masasabi na reflection, di ba? Kasi nire-reflect niya. Kasi ito nare-reflect niya. So, dapat lahat, reflection siya, no? So, you see? So, reflection nga siya. I think this graph clearly shows that it's a reflection. Now, tanong, pag nag-table ba natin, paano, or pag nag-table ba tayo, paano ba natin malalaman kung reflection nga? Tingnan nyo yung dalawang points. Ano masasabi nyo sa dalawang points na yan? Pareho sila ng y coordinates, di ba? Or, I don't know if I should say y coordinates or y coordinate. Kasi isa lang naman siya. So, isa lang yung y-coordinate nila. For example, nandito ako, ang y-coordinate mo ay 5. Nandito ako, ang y-coordinate mo ay 4. No? So, in fact, if I draw a line segment here, the y-coordinates of the points is yung tinatamaan niya dito. For yan, for example, here the y-coordinate is 5, for example. No? Yan yung isang observation. Secondly, the second observation is that if this is indeed a reflection point, if this point is a reflection of this point, then they will have the same x coordinates, only that the signs are opposite. No? For example, ito meron tayong negative 2, meron tayong 2. Kasi nga naman reflection, di ba? So pag dito ka naman, meron tayong negative 1 tsaka 1. So malamang pag ginakit ko ito ng konti without reaching 2, maybe this is negative 1.5 and the other one is 1.5. Okay? So basically, the x-coordinate of the other is the negative of the x-coordinate of the other. Ngayon, tanong, kita ba yan dun sa table? Kuwari, pag table lang titignan mo, makikita mo ba pag reflection siya of the other, yung graph? Look at the table. So ito yung x natin, ito yung y natin for 2 to the x. No? Na-discuss ko na ito sa previous videos, no? And I think this is very, very basic. Ito ay reciprocal of the power. No? 2 raised to the negative 4 is 1 over 2 to the 4th or 1 over 16. Now, nandito sa previous video, sabi natin kanina, they have the same y coordinate, but they have different x coordinates. Only the x coordinates are opposite of each other. No? Meaning, pag opposite of each other, opposite signs sila, same number of opposite signs. So for the same y coordinate, for example, ito, 2 tsaka 2. Ano napapansin nyo sa x value niya? Ito 1, ito negative 1. Therefore, itong point na to na may coordinates 1, 2 is a reflection of these points along the y-axis. No? 1/2, for example. 1/2. Ano ulit? Negative 1 tsaka 1, di ba? Pili tayo ng ibang number. Puri ito tayo 1/2. 1/8, for example. Ito 1/8. Negative 3 at saka 3. Di ba? So nakikita nyo lahat. Actually, lahat yan. If you choose the same point or same y coordinate, then you will have different x coordinates which are opposite of each other. No? Yung sign is also the signs are also opposite. The other one is positive and the other one is negative. Okay, so I think that's one of the characteristics of exponential functions na dapat nyo alam. No? So paano ba? Yung 1/3 x ba? Reflection din siya ng 3x? Y, not 3x but 3 raised to x. Tapos yung isa is y equals 1/3 raised to x. Okay, so reflection pa rin, no? So notice that this graph is a reflection of this graph. And you can also try to verify, no? By creating table. Tapos kung magamit kayo ng GeoGebra, gamit kayo itong reflected point. No? So maraming salamat. I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. See you in the next tutorial.